Hello everyone, MD Shakeel here. So as you all know, I have started a Python section for you all from previous video. So I think you had a good start about this Python. I made you familiar with the things about Python. We saw some arithmetic calculation. If you didn't saw it, please watch this and come, because the next 10 to 15 videos are literally basic, not only for Python but exclusive for other language. So please hold on with me. So let's open a Python shell here. So this is interactive mode. I'm gonna make now with the interactive mode before starting with the script mode. Okay, script mode, it needs some long program. Let's start here. So in a previous video we saw some arithmetic operations like, let's see, 5 plus 5, simple. When I click enter, it gives me 10. Okay, now let's just try new things. Okay, I think you all are aware of what is expression, something which is variable sentence, and algebraic expression. You have studied from 6 to 7 something in your thing, like assigning a variable. Now a is equals to 5. Yeah, now I give b is also equals to 5. When I click, when I run, give the input as a plus b, what can I get is 10. How come? See here, a, it has a access in container and store a value of b, and here b acts as a container, stores the value of b. When I click a plus b, it has the values of 5 and 5, which gives me 10. Okay, when I add this, it gives me 10. It's not only, we can also try many other operations with multiplication, anything. Okay, so it is the algebraic common thing. Okay, now let me try z is equal to something like 20. Okay, something like 20, and now I give z a plus z. What's gonna get when I press enter is 25, because z acts as a container and stores the value of 20. So now I will be getting 25. So I am assured, so I'm clear that you can have a concept about this algebraic expression, some clear thing. Okay, do you get this? Do you get this? Please mention in the comments below. So this is the thing about this algebraic expression, something, it's exclusive for many. If you learn Java, C++, you're gonna learn this first. Okay, so basics. So give me your concentration. So let's try out. Okay, see here now, Python has a fancy concept, a very fancy concept. It's not only acts for numbers, it's also acts for some variables. Okay, if I assign a variable, it also acts for the name. Let me say, sorry, name. I may give my name in the string called Shakeel. Can I? Oh no, let me give a familiar name to you all. More than me, it's something Tala. Tala is something Dhoni. Okay, let me wait. I have to type here between this string, as I said, do ni, yeah, oh, Dhoni, Dhoni, I give. Okay, now name has the value of Dhoni. If I give print function and in the parenthesis I give name. Okay, let me give this name. Okay, but if I click enter, what's gonna come? It's Dhoni. So it also acts the same. Okay, both for variables and constant, both are same. Easy, right? Very easy, paka. Yeah, so it is very fancy. And now Python has a very fancy concept known as string slicing and string indexing. Okay, that's what we are going to study for next few days, no, next video, and we are going to add some basics. Now see here, name, I give in bracket, I give something a number 2, and I press enter. What's gonna get? Does it make sense, man? Does something this make sense what I'm writing? Yeah, name, and I write 2. What this makes sense? Guess. Mention in the comments below. If you have a guess before this video, you will be awarded name 2. So this is a fancy concept. No. And I click enter, it gives me 0. How? Oh, sorry. Oh, how come is it? See here in the name is equal to, see here in the Dhoni, they are indexed, and index starts from 0. Okay, every word in Python. So see, D has the value of 0, H has the value of 1, O has the value of 2, N has the value of 3, I has the value of 4. So see here, when I give the name is equals to, I'm getting easily as 0. Oh, sorry. Oh, so if we give something, some other, try something, name as something 0, I'm gonna get D. The first letter, okay, it starts from 0 to D. So this is a very fancy caption. I will assure you I can make you learn Python in a very interesting way. Please hold on with me. That's what. Okay, please share it to your friends, of course. So this is known as Python string indexing.